In the pastoral sprawl of Waimauku, New Zealand, Bramasole House rises as poetry carved in timber and stone. Born on former market garden land, here stands a home that balances openness and order, shelter and sky, a quiet dialogue between earth and dwelling. The house comprises 3 simple box-like volumes: a lanai pavilion, a garage, and the bedroom wing, each clad in weathered timber reminiscent of rustic agricultural crates. Between them lie framed negative spaces, offering glimpses of vineyard and paddock beyond. Gabion basket walls, low at entrances rising into substantial anchor walls, clearly divide and orient the site while grounding the architecture in its rural terrain. The entire structure rests on an elevated blockwork plinth, allowing a floating presence above potentially wet ground. The lanai, garage and bedroom boxes create rhythm around a generous living pavilion, an airy central void capped by a floating, pitched roof that tilts toward the southern light and lifts one's gaze to treetop views. This living space flows outward, extending west into a terrace, east into a sheltered courtyard with tree and water feature, and north to a sun terrace. The expansive glazing and lofty roof create a luminous void, capturing soft southern light and seasonal warmth. Adjustable shutters and deep eaves regulate wind, rain, and sun, ensuring comfort and protection while maintaining transparency. Weathered timber planks evoke agrarian sensibilities, while gabion stones, blockwork, cedar linings, local stone, and touches like painted plaster and black steel accents, oven and hearth, create texture-rich honesty. Inside, the atmosphere is serene and layered. Built-ins and soft furnishings fold into the structure. Light filters through fine timber lattice and glass. The central living space is a gentle stage, where indoor and outdoor moments blend. Sleeping, dining, bathing, gathering, all overlapping in harmonious cadence. Celebrate how architecture and nature entwine. Gabion walls structure the land into quadrants, while vineyard rows, paddocks, and shelter belts subtly guide vision. The elevated plinth brings the home closer to the eye level of horsemen and the land's rhythms, uniting the human and the equine in shared horizon. Bramasole House is not just built, it is choreographed. Here boxes float, roofs lift, sunlight dances, and boundaries are both drawn and dissolved. In a land that breathes, the house listens, reframes, and belongs, graceful, grounded, and alive.